Bosco, you want to go for a walk? Oh. Maron. So this is a road that you might recognize. It is the road that goes to one of our honeybee yards, but right now it is all dressed up and looking its best for the festival this weekend. So as you can see, this road ends at that mountain down there, and there's a long staircase going up to the Ida Hachiman shrine at the top. This is the Torii gate leading to the shrine up there, and every time we go up there, there's never anyone there, but this will be part of the festival. The neighborhood's been getting ready for it for about 2 weeks, and this is the big day. I would head up there, but I'm not sure if they're doing anything up there at the moment, so I don't want to interrupt if they are. And you may recognize this as the road that we drive to get to the honeybee yard, which is just around that corner there. It seems even more so than the neighborhood springtime cleanup. Everybody's really been working hard to clean everything up, mowing, weed whacking, edging, pruning. So the whole neighborhood is really looking its best. You can see the flags in the distance there. That's the road leading to the shrine. And then right over here, just around the corner, is the guest house. A little bit further down the road, you can see the next landmark, which are those lanterns down there. The sun's starting to set a little more, but here we are at the lanterns, and we'll walk down and show you where the festivities will take place. Here are the lanterns from this side, so you can see how close the festival will take place to our house right there. Looks like the spooky hotel.
す。